YouTube Shorts just got longer. Some of you may be aware of what a YouTube Short is. It's a vertical video, pretty much like the ones that you've seen on TikTok and Instagram, and on YouTube, it has to be below 1 minute in length. But wait, YouTube are going to start rolling out changes to the YouTube Short program, in which now videos up to 3 minutes in length that are either square or vertical will be counted as YouTube Shorts and pushed onto the YouTube Shorts shelf. Why is this important for people that create content? Well, in the past, I've created tutorials on this channel that have been 1 minute, 1 minute 30, 2 minutes in length, and these are some of my best performing videos. In fact, some of them have even made millions of views, but now I can crop them into smaller formats and I could re-upload or reimagine. This also makes things a little bit easier. If you're making a 3-minute video in the square format, not only is this a broader format, but it's also a more reusable format for things like Twitter, X, Instagram, Facebook video, even LinkedIn. This is your opportunity to make shorter videos that are impactful, that can be cross-platformed, that can be still easily made with a mobile phone, but could capitalize on more advertising money coming your way and a different delivery method on the YouTube Shorts shelf, just like this one.